Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos on your iPhone, whether you want to hide your entire photo gallery or just a few private pictures. Let's jump right in. So first, if you want to protect your entire Photos app, here's what you can do. Instead of opening the Photos app, just press and hold on it, and then tap on Require Face ID. Once you enable this, you'll need to authenticate using Face ID every time you try to open the app. Now keep in mind, the app will still be visible on your home screen, but no one can access it without your Face ID. Now, let's move on to the second method, hiding individual photos. Open your Photos app and select any photo you want to hide, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose Hide. That photo will now be moved to a hidden album. If you want to hide multiple photos at once, just tap on Select, choose all the photos you want, tap the three dots again, and hit Hide. Simple as that. Now you might be wondering, where do these hidden photos go? To find them, go to your Photos app, scroll down, and look for the Utilities section. Inside that, you'll see the hidden album. Tap on it, and you'll find all your hidden photos there. Now here's a pro tip. You can actually lock this hidden album with Face ID. Just go to Settings, scroll down to Photos, and enable the option to use Face ID for hidden and recently deleted albums. And if you want extra privacy, you can even turn off Show Hidden Album, so it completely disappears from the Photos app. Alright guys, that's it for today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.